Let's see a stock buy and sell a stock problem from the LeetCode. It's a easy problem. Let's try to understand this. It's saying best time to buy and sell a stock. So here, if you see here, this is the first one. Like if we consider the first one, like we can buy the stock with the seven. Let's say $7. We buy the stock in $7, and then next thing is we want to sell this. So we sell this with the $1. There is no benefit. So we need to find out, you know, uh, we need to find out like when we buy the stock and when we sell the stock, and it's the good time to buy a stock and sell the stock so that we can maximize the profit. So that's the problem. So if I buy the $7 and the one no profit, if I buy $1 and sell with $5, then there will be profit $4. If I $1, if I sell to the $3, then $2 profit. If I sell to the $6, then there will be $5 profit, and that's the maximum profit we can get. If you buy at a 5 and sell at a 3, loss. Buy $5 and sell at 6, there is a benefit, $1 benefit. So that's we need to find out. So let's use the two pointer technique here, and we'll solve that, and then we'll see another way also to solve. So when we use the two pointer technique, what we do here, like we put the left pointer at 7 and the right pointer at 1. Left at 7 and right at 1, and then we'll check whether this is, the buy, whatever the price, that's the left pointer, that's the price to buy the stock. If it is greater, if it is greater than this, because first one like we buy and the second one we sell, if it is greater, then we can move the pointer, because if it is greater and this is the selling price is low, then in that we do not want to sell that. We know that we not get profit here. So if the I or the left value is greater, then we can move the left pointer. Otherwise we can move the right pointer. So in this way, the left pointer comes here, 7 minus 1, and we'll see we'll not do the 7 minus 1, but we have to do in other way, because this is the buying price and this is the selling price. So we do the 1 minus 7, then we'll have loss. So we'll not store that, and we'll move the pointer here, and again we'll see for 1, left is 1, and we'll see that, and right is also at 1, then we'll see the 1 is greater than 1. No, then we can move the right pointer here. Right pointer come here, again we'll check 5 minus 1, and 5 minus 1 is a 4, and then we'll see whether that's a maximum benefit. We can maintain the max also. So in this way we can move the left and right, and we can check for each. So in this, again it will come here, right pointer comes here, because this is not greater, 1 is not greater than 3, then right pointer comes here, and then 6 minus 1 is the 5, and that is the maximum profit you can get. Like when we sell at $1 and we buy at $1 and sell at $6, then we'll get $5 benefit. In this way we'll just come to the end, and we'll find the best time to buy and sell the stock. So let's write the code, and then we'll see another way also to do that. So first left pointer, I'll put that at 0, then right pointer I'll put at 1, and I can say if right less than length of prices, that's array, length of the array. We do not want to go beyond the array, so that's the condition. And you know our let me I lost the screen. Let's search the problem. Best time to buy. Okay, so we are here. So we know the right pointer is at 1 and left pointer is at 7. Then we need to do right minus left so that we can see the benefit. But for that, let's maintain a variable max m is 0 for now, and we also need a function max Okay, so here we can check the max. We can use the function max m, and you can store that in a m. So m, and then we'll check prices right pointer minus prices left pointer. So this is our max benefit. Max benefit is 0, but in this time, like when you do the 1 minus 7, that is the minus value, and that is not the max, then that will be ignored. Max will be still 0 here, and now we can have the condition if this is like buying value is greater than the selling price. So if it is greater, then we can move the I pointer. So I can check if height left greater than height right, then left plus plus, otherwise right plus plus. Okay, and we are calculating the max also here. So in this case, the 7 is the greater, then the left pointer comes here, right pointer comes here. Again, we'll do the right minus left, that is a 1 minus 1 0, nothing will happen here. Then again we'll check one left pointer value, height left 1 is greater than height right, that is 5. So if it is not greater than, then again we'll move the right pointer and we'll come here, and then also we keep finding the max benefit here. So we calculated that and return m. That's the result. Let's try to run. If height left, oh, this is not height, this is the price. Okay, accepted, submit this. Okay, so that's the one solution. Let's try to do this in another way also. Even without using the left and right pointer, we can solve this problem. How we'll do, let's see. So another algorithm we can try here is, we can first value we can make it the minimum. We can say that okay, this is the minimum, and then when you go to the next item, the first value minimum, and then what we do, the current item and the minimum item. So 7 minus 7, 0. So no profit. When we move to this place, we'll check which is the minimum. So 1 is the minimum. So we'll maintain the minimum. So minimum is the value that, like, when we have bought the stock. So minimum, we find the minimum, and then we'll check with the current item minus, we'll do the minimum. In that way we can find the max profit also here. So for this, another way, let me comment this. And we'll write another way the same problem. So for that I need a function for the minimum also. So let's create a function here. This function is min a less than b. Okay, so here we'll maintain one variable. It's m, or I can say the result is equal to 0. That's a max. Let's say the max result or max profit. Max profit is 0. And then we want to make this a minimum. Just consider like this is the minimum. So min val, I can just say min val is prices 0. And now we'll run the loop, just one loop for I is equal to 0, and then I less than length of prices I plus plus, and then we can try. This is the minimum. So from the current, like the current is prices I minus mean value, so that is prices. So the mean value is the, so I can directly say mean val here. And also here, before calculating this, I will also try to know which is the minimum, whether this is the minimum or whatever we have put here, that's the minimum I can do. So in that case, the 0 we have already put it here, then we can start with the 1. Let's just start with 1, then we'll find the minimum first. So mean val is equal to mean of mean val comma this one, so prices I. So we'll get the minimum value. So we're starting the loop from here, so 1 and 7, the mean value is 1, and then we calculate the prices I, that's 1 minus whatever is the minimum value. The minimum value is the 1, so that is the current profit. And we can check whether the current profit is max or max profit. So for that, max profit, max function, max profit, current profit, and in this way we'll calculate the max profit. So in this way, max profit will be 0. When the I reach to this point 5, then again we calculate here which is the minimum, 5 or 1. Then of course the 1 will be the minimum, and then we'll subtract from 5, that is prices I 5 minus minimum. So minimum is 1, 4. So the current profit will be 4. So we'll check the max profit. So max profit will be here. So max profit is 0. So 0 and 4. So 4 will be assigned to the max profit. In the same way, in the similar way, I will come to this place. 3 minus 1, that's a 2. 6 minus 1, 5, and we'll get the 5. So I think it's going to run. So return max profit. Let's try. accepted, submit. Okay, so we can solve this problem in two different way. So this way, or we can use the two pointer technique. That's all for now. Thank you.